So hello guys, welcome back to my another video that full of knowledge and understanding. After watching this video, I will discuss the common computer problems and also the basic troubleshooting in your software. So I will discuss how to fix and also how to solve this problem. So let's start. So first problem guys is the blue screen of death. So it is a stop error or the expansion error, which commonly called the blue screen of death or the blue screen. So it is also a error in screen display on Windows computers following a fatal system error. So it indicates a system crash in which the operating system reach the condition where it can no longer operate safely. So one of the cause of this problem is a Microsoft Windows related stop error. So usually it indicates a serious problem, most likely in hardware or in drive related. Restart or power cycle your computer. So second is scan your computer for malware and viruses. So next is run Microsoft and fix it. Check that the RAM is properly connected in the motherboard. Faculty hard drive. Check if the newly installed device causing the blue screen of death. So next is the missing DLL files. When we talk about the DLL files, DLL means the dynamic link library. So it means the missing files contains of the library functions and other information that can be accessed by a Windows program. In fact, the files are disappeared. This means that DLL files either missing or corrupt. As I said earlier, files with ending in DLL are dynamic link library. So first solution is the never upload a DLL file. So second is restart your PC. So it is the easiest way to fix the missing. Retrieve delete files. So sometimes you could have accidentally delete the malware program, create additional. Restore your system. So, and also reinstall the application. So last step is the update the drivers and also update the Windows. Problem is the application running slowly. So it might be in a loop or waiting for the resource that is not available, or there might be a performance problem. So perhaps your system operating near the limits of its capacity. So the commonly cause of this problem is the application slow down or hang. It could be due to the number of the causes, but the most common relates processing power and memory. So one of the solution of this problem is the need the computer a memory or the random access memory used to store data temporarily while programs are running. So the recommended amounts for the Windows user is 2 gigs or 2 gigabytes or more. So RAM does not necessarily speed up the computer, but it can make the application and program runs better, plus its performance and also the speed. So next problem is the internet or the network connectivity issues. So internet or the network connectivity issue can stem from many problems or causes. So first is there must be something wrong with your ISP or the internet service provider. So second is there must be a DNS server you must connect to, which can also encounter the issues. The third cause is there must be a local hardware, which include your router, computer, and network software. One of the solution of this problem is to test your Wi-Fi in different device. Restart your modem or the router. Try a different internet cable like PLDT, Converge, Globe, whatever you want. Upgrade your equipment. So it is important to call your internet service provider. And also reset your router to default the settings. So the next problem is the hard drive failure. The hard drive failure occurs when the hard disk drive malfunction and stored information, and also cannot be accessed with properly configured computer. So one of the causes of this problem is the drive to fail, including human error, which is the hardware failure, firmware corruption, heat, water damage, power issues, and mishaps. The common solution of this problem is open the File Explorer and find the disk which has a problem. So right click on the hard disk with errors. So next is choose properties, and also navigate the toolbox in the properties window. So click the check button. So last is select scan and repair drive to start detecting and fixing disk errors. So next problem is the frozen screen. The computer does not respond in any user input. So one of the causes is the overheating CPU. So the bad memory or the failing supply, and also in some cases it might be also in your motherboard, although that's a rare occurrence. So usually with hard drive problems, so the freezing will start sporadic but increase in frequency as time goes on. So the best way or the best solution to restart is hold your press button for 5 to 10 seconds. And also if you are working on the frozen PC, hit the Control plus Alt plus Delete, then click End Task, so to force quit any applications. But also you can just simply reboot your PC. The next problem is the strange noise. So when you're encountering excessive noise in your device, so it means to help the troubleshoot and resolve the problem. So the common cause of this problem is the computer is never silent at the given time. So and also multiple function can take place that can cause noise. The mechanical hard drive and also the optical disk drive, cooling fan when they are spin. So graphics card and the GPUs have fan when they are heat up. One of the best solution to this problem is give your PC room to breathe. The second is set up the fan control. The third is clean out the dust, and also replace a loud fan entirely. Next common problem is the overheating. So overheating means that the computer or the electronic device generates more heat than it's designed to handle. So overheating may be caused by failing or inadequate fan, poor ventilation, bad cable, dust, dirt, and underperforming hard drive, and also inadequate power supply. So one of the best solutions in this problem is to check your fan if it's working or not. Second is avoid blocking the vent. Third is clean up your PC. So reapply timer paste, stop overclocking. You can speed up the fan speed. Next is put less pressure on your PC and also underclock the CPU. So next problem is the application will not stall. So it simply means that the program or the application is not corresponding. One of the causes of this problem is the application or the program is not compatible. Also hardware failure, storage space, and missing files. So one of the best solutions is to download the Restore PC Repair tool, so that comes with patented technologies. Click the Start Scan to find the issues that can be causing the PC problems. Next is to click the Repair All to fix issue that affecting your computer securities and performance. So the next problem is the computer suddenly shut off or restart. So one of the biggest causes of this problem is the overheating power supply due to the malfunctioning fan can cause shut off unexpectedly. So continuing to use the fault power supply can result in damage to the computer and should be replaced immediately. So one of the best way or best solution in this problem is that check your PC power connection. Second is make sure that the PC is powered up properly by checking the electronic connections. And also check the PC ventilation. Clean and oil the PC fans. Revert window to an earlier. So system restore point. Check the updates. And last is to reset the Windows into its original states. So it can help you to solve this problem. So next troubleshooting problem is the peripheral stop working. So from the word stop working, it simply says that it is not functional. So one of the causes of this problem is in problem to the port. Second is problem with port connectors. So next is USB standards don't match. So errors with wireless keyboard or mouse. PS with two keyboard and mouse not working. And the last is the black keys or the sensors. So one of the best solutions in this problem is to remove PC attached peripherals from the device manager. So any related software must be uninstalled in your computer. You must restart the system and switch on the printer and see that it is connected to your computer and working properly. And last solution is reconnect the keyboard and also the mouse like you are using them for the first time. So it can help you to solve this problem properly. So next problem is crash before loading operating system. So it is happened because of the fresh operating system installation or problem caused by the power failure, system crash, or incorrect restarts. So one of the best solution is to restart your computer and boot from the CD. And also press any key when you see press any key reboot from the CD or the DVD. So next is click repair your computer after selecting your language, time, and keyboard method. Last solution is to select the drive of your Windows installation and click next. So last troubleshooting problem is the monitor not showing image. So this problem happens when your video run between the monitor and the computer. If someone has come loose, graphics card failure, drive issues, or a problem of the graphic ports of the computer. So what is the solution, or how to fix no monitor display? So first solution is to turn off your computer. Second is unplug the cable running from the monitor to your PC and plug it back in, making sure that the connection is firm. So next is reattach the cable running from your monitor to your PC. So place your monitor with another monitor if possible. So last solution is open your PC case and locate your video card. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you understand and learn some knowledge about this video on how troubleshooting is happened, and also what is this cause and how to fix it by following the solution. So I hope you like it, guys. See you to my next video.
I know is not